Ivory. Oh, I forgot about this. I'm walking my dad's dog because the dog wanted to go out and I thought, why not, right? So his name's Ivory. Try and get a shot of his little face. He's so cute. Ivory, Ivory, Ivory. That's too much to check. No face. Happy dog. So happy. Fall is one of my favorite seasons, though I find something to like in every season. I just tend to get tired of winter by the time February and March roll around. And you know, it doesn't really warm up in Ohio until, well, May really. Sometimes you get nice days in April, but it almost always snows at least once in April, and everyone is shocked. Yeah, we don't get a ton of snow in April, but we usually get at least one snowfall. It's a nice day today. I have been super cold already, wearing warm fuzzy socks. I have the dog still. Pants, long sleeve shirts, sweatshirts, and I had to go under a branch there. So far it's all right, but I'm also cold. No, it's okay.
I don't like.
It's kind of going.
Oh yes. Mama, be careful. Cool, we made a fire. It's always going in my direction. Okay, I'm gonna put it in. Oh.
There's a fire.
Fire.
It started much easier than I expected, so that's great. We're doing the campfire just to have a little bit on survival skills. It's kind of to go with reading the book Hatchet by Gary Paulson. My son really enjoyed that, and we have private property at which we can make a small fire like this. Can you see it? Yeah. And it started much easier than I expected. I haven't made a fire in a very long time, but apparently I still know how to do it.
Actually, I want to bucket from water. Wait. Actually, I didn't put it out yet, I think. Come on,
Right.
Let's put this fire in.
Okay, go.
Okay, that's cool.
That makes it super smoky.
Well, it's really smoky.
Oh, it's in my eyes. All right, niños. Are you guys having fun?
Yes.
All right.
I'm gonna do this again.
All right, we'll do it again some other time.
Some other time. Let's dance with the fire.
Okay, now we're dancing with the fire. Awesome.
Yeah, we have to dance.
What we're doing is there's a little beach and pond behind me, so that's where we're doing the fire. So it's pretty wet ground. The sand's wet. And it rained. It's rained a lot lately, so we're lucky to be able to find dry sticks and things, but we did. So it's a lot of fun. And the kids are just enamored with it. Look at that. They're loving it. And I love that they're loving it. They have a skill now, as long as they have matches, they can build a fire. And dry sticks, of course. Look, they found a roly-poly. Roly-poly is going on his way somewhere, away from the fire, Smarty. Okay, you're gonna do it?
Yep.
Okay, carefully and gently. Oh, look at that. All right, I think we're good. Actually, you can dump that. fire making today. Put it out with a bucket of water as you saw. And we're just gonna go hang out for a little bit with my dad, see what he's up to. Ready? Happy dog.